Have you been told that your low back pain is because of scoliosis? My name is Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix, and I'm here to tell you why that's probably not the case. Scoliosis is known as 10 degrees or greater of a curvature in your spine. Scoliosis is very, very common, and many people walking all over this planet have curves in their spine and they don't even know it, and it's never going to cause them any issues. In fact, many top Olympians have scoliosis. One to mention would be Usain Bolt, but yet that guy's at the top of his game. So how are we going to tell people, oh, the reason why you're having these issues is because of scoliosis? It's typically not the way it works. Lamar Gant is a great example where this individual had severe scoliosis, but he was one of the first people in the world to get close to deadlifting 5 times his body weight. 5 times his body weight. So guess what? He had a pretty dang strong, healthy back if he was able to do that. So why are we creating limitations on ourselves from this scary word called scoliosis? That's actually quite normal. Maybe you just have a little bit of scoliosis that isn't to that 10-degree mark. You're most likely completely fine, okay? This is not gonna cause you defying issues for the rest of your life. You're gonna be okay. Keep training normally, keep mobilizing your spine normally, keep active and doing regular things, and you will function regularly. Do not let yourself be afraid of movement or thinking that you're gonna be defined by this, because that's truly not the case. Many people have scoliosis and it does not cause them any issues. So I get many messages about people contacting me saying, hey, I have low back issues, but I also have scoliosis. Are you able to help someone with scoliosis? The shape of your spine is of no concern to me. What matters to me is how you move and how you feel and how we can change your symptoms and get you on a plan to success. That's what matters. Your movement and your function matters, not the shape of your body or the appearance of your body, okay? So let's get that down straight. Structure does not dictate function. You are not defined by your diagnosis. You are still strong and capable, just like the top Olympians out there that have scoliosis. So you are not limited. You are strong. You are resilient. You can do whatever you want. And I'm just here to help you learn how to fix your low back. I hope that you found this educational. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share, and send this to someone who has scoliosis that needs to hear this motivational message that they are not defined by their diagnosis and they can do whatever they want.